Finally, I'm back with a brand new dance choreography tutorial. It feels so good to be back. It feels so good to dance with you again. I really missed it. Hope you too. So make sure to wear some comfy clothes and then let's jump straight into the first steps. As usual, I'm working mirror inverted for you, so I hope you can easily learn the dance. Okay, today the steps aren't too difficult, but the music is fast. So we break it down at the beginning. We start with the feet movement slowly, and afterwards we will pick up the pace. Okay, so let's start with just a few steps forward. So bring your feet together and you start with the left foot stepping to the front on 1, okay? So we start on 1, 7, 8. 1, hold for 2, and then another step with the right, 3 and 4. That's it, 2 steps at the beginning. Again, close your feet together and start with me in 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now you're gonna take the back foot out to the side, you shift your weight onto the left, bring it back in, and then you of course switch to the other side, so right foot outwards and bring it back in. So really make sure here that it's not only a tap, a salsa thing here, but you shift your weight and you bring it back in quickly. Okay, let's bring the first steps together. So take your way back and then let's start with the left foot. 7, 8. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Good. Keep your legs slightly bent so you really get this feeling here. Okay, one more time. Come to the back so you have enough space to the front and then close your feet together. 7, 8. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. A little bit faster before we add the arm movement, so take it back. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Woo! Hope you made it. So feel free to move your legs here how it feels good for you to make it a little bit more groovy, a little bit cooler. Okay, let's add the arms. We're gonna work diagonally here. So when you step forwards with the left, you're gonna move the right arm. So just have a look at the arm movements. We're gonna make a strong fist and then you're gonna throw it in and out. Switch to the other side, throw it in and out. So roll, roll. So make sure that you keep your elbow close to your body. That's not like this, but you roll here, okay? So close to your body. So bring your upper arm to the body and then you roll and out. In and out. In and out, like this. Yes, grab and pull, grab and pull. Yes, okay. So you can decide whether you want to keep your hand like a fist or maybe you want to grab and pull it out. Okay, your choice. Good, let's bring a feet movement and arm movements together. So we're gonna step forwards with the left and you start with the right arm, roll, and then you're gonna switch in and out. Okay, just this part. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So what am I doing with my upper body? So I really twist here. So I'm bringing my right shoulder forwards and then I switch, okay? It looks a little bit cooler than just going straight forward. So really twist, hop, and twist, hop, okay? Again, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right shoulder forward, left shoulder forwards. Can't talk that fast. One last round here before we're gonna add the other arm movements. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, you're gonna step out with the left. We already learned this. And it's again the right arm. So we're working diagonally here again. And you grab and you pull it up. So elbow is in one line with the shoulders, strong fist. And then you're gonna switch to the other side, same here, up. Okay, just do this with me. So grab and pull. Join me when you're ready. And grab and pull and grab and pull. Yes, good work. Elbows high. They're facing to the side. Don't do a chicken dance here. So stay in a good alignment here. So it looks really cool. Grab and pull. Grab and pull. 4, 3, 2, and last one. Good. Let's bring everything together. Slowly. So take it back. 5, 6, 7. Right shoulder forward. 1, 2, 3, 4. A grab and a pull it up. Grab and a pull it up. Yes. Hopefully you made it. Let's pick up the pace a little bit. 5, 6, 7, 8. Grab and roll. Grab and roll. Grab up. Grab up. Yes. Last round. I hope you're ready. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. Let's just try this part with music. So shake it out and take a moment and then take your way back and let's start with the music. So we have a little introduction here. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Prepare yourself. 5, 6, 7. Here we go. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Woo! That is fast, right? Let's try it one more time with the music. So take it back. 5, 6, 5, 6. Here we go. Grab, roll, and yes, made it. Hope you got it. If not, press play, repeat, and then come back to here so we can go for the next steps. I hope you're ready. So we stepped here, grab and pull, elbows in one line with the shoulders. Now let's take a look to the feet again. So start basic. We start with kind of a step touch. So the name of the step is already telling us what to do. So we have step, tap, step, tap. Okay? Just 2 of these. Try this with me. 7, 8, step, touch, step, touch. Awesome. Last round. 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we're going to go for 2 steps to the left. Yay! Okay, let's start again. Single, single, and double to the left. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, and 8. That's it. Another 8 counts. Let's repeat, okay, before we go with the arm movements. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, now we have a little coordinative challenge, but we can do it. So we stepped here with our arms high, with elbows in one line with the shoulders. What we're going to do is we're going to punch up. So first with the left, really make sure that you lengthen your arm. Don't do half things here. Really complete the movement. And then you come back in. We're going to switch, come back in. Now both arms. So left arm is punching up, the right arm is punching down. Then you're going to switch. Then you open the arms, like if you want to hug somebody. But instead of hugging someone, you clap. And this is count number 8. Okay? So from here, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. Yes. Okay. So single arm, both. Give me a hug. And then you say, no hug, clap instead. Okay. 5, 6. Again, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. Okay. So when you did both arms and you open, feel free to open your fist so you're prepared for the clap, because you can't clap like this, okay? So make it easy, open your hands, and be ready for the clap. Okay. Let's put both together, feet and arms. We start with a single step touch. Arms up, slowly. 7, 8. Left arm, right arm. Now double step to the left. Both arms open and clap. Wow, okay, I know this is not that easy, arm and legs coordination, this is hard, so take your time to do this. If it's too complicated, you know what, just skip the arms and just focus on the leg movements, or the other way around. Maybe you already got the arm movements and you think the arm movements are cooler, then keep going with the arm movements, okay? It's your dance party, so make it comfy for you. Let's do it one more time together. 6, 7, 8. Single. Again, single to the other side. Now double. Long arms. You open and you clap. So every step includes one arm movement, okay? There is no break in the arms. Okay, let's do it one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. Single, double, and open, clap. Okay, we speed it up. 5, 6, 7, 8, and single, and double, open, clap. Last round before we put it together. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Woo! Hope you made it. Let's put everything together from the very beginning. I hope you still know how we started. So take your way back and we're gonna step forwards. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Grab up, grab new part. 1, 2. Double step, hop, open and clap. Yes, a little bit faster. Come on. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and punch up, both arms. Ka, dee, da. All right, let's do it with music. Okay, take it back. Shake it out. You can do it. Come on. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, grab. New part, step touch. To the other side, double, and open, clap. One more time, come on. 5, 6, right shoulder forwards. And grab, pull, punch. Double, and open, clap. Yes. Hope you like this little sneak peek of my brand new dance choreography. Make sure to hop on over to my online studio to get access to the full dance choreography tutorial, or make sure to continue with this free YouTube dance class over here. See you there.